ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 36 एंटिका विसौ उच्यते इति प्रमातृ सत्ता इत्यस्य प्रमातृ लक्षण सत्ता इत्यर्थः। प्रमातृ सत्ता, this was said in the Moolam on that page. प्रमात्र भेदो नाम न तदैक्यम किंतु प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभावः। प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभाव। सो व्हाट इज प्रमात्र सत्ता? प्रमात्र सत्ता मीन्स प्रमाता और अंतःकरण अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य, दिस चैतन्य सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व is not there in prameya. Prameya chaitanya is not different. In other words, that chaitanya in which pramata is existing, in that same chaitanya prameya is also existing. Pramata and prameya, they are in the same chaitanya. So pramatra abhed means pramatra satta and vishaya satta, they are not different. Now here in Tika it is given that satta means pramatri lakshana satta. So here satta means existence. Here satta is not jati. That is clarified. Natu tannishta satta jati. Not that pramata has a jati, pramatatva or pramatritva. Pramatritva jati is not what is being referred. Why? Because from that standpoint, pramatritva satta and prameyatva satta will never be one. Pramatritva existence, pramata's existence and prameya's existence, that satta, that existence is one. In other words, that chaitanya in which pramata and prameya are appearing, that chaitanya when it is one, then it is said pratyaksha jnanam has taken place. So this is what was said on the previous page, that ghatader vishayasya pratyakshatvam on 35 page in Moolam, first line if you see. घटादेर विषयस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम इज प्रमात्र अभिन्नत्वम. घटादि विषय and pramata becoming abhinna. Abhinna means घटादि विषय अवच्छिन्न chaitanya and pramatra avachinna chaitanya, their abheda. What is their abheda? That chaitanya in which pramata is superimposed. In that same chaitanya, prameya is also superimposed. This understanding should come. So in the Moolam on 36 page number, it is given, प्रमात्र अभेदो नाम न तद ऐक्यम, किंतु प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभाव. प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व इज नॉट देयर ऑफ द घटादि. सो सत्ता हियर इज नॉट जाति. सीटी का प्रमात्र प्रमेय निष्ठ सत्ता जाते ही एकतया, तन्निष्ठ सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्तायाः असिद्धेः. प्रमात्र प्रमेय निष्ठ सत्ता जाते हैं एकतया. If प्रमात्र निष्ठ सत्ता जाति and प्रमेय निष्ठ सत्ता जाति, if they become one, एकतया, तन्निष्ठ सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्तायाः असिद्धेः, then तन्निष्ठ सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ता, such thing is asiddha. In other words, that pramatra satta, pramatratva, and prameya satta, prameyatva, their ekatva itself is asiddha. So satta aikya, and therefore ghatadi vishaya, they are appearing in that chaitanya, ghatavachinna chaitanya, they are aropita, and therefore vishaya chaitanya satta, that satta alone is the satta of ghatadi. In other words, aropita vishaya does not have satta different from the chaitanya. तथा च प्रमात्र अभेदस्य, प्रमात्र भेदस्य उक्त लक्षणे सति इदं फलितम इत्याह. And therefore प्रमात्र भेद means प्रमात्र अभेद, abheda of pramata from prameya. In other words, they both have samana satta in which they are existing. That one number tippani we will see in a moment. First, let's see a little bit further. Tathacha घटादेहे स्वावच्छिन्न चैतन्ये अध्यस्ततया विषय चैतन्य सत्तैव घटादि सत्ता. घटादेहे स्वावच्छिन्न चैतन्ये अध्यस्ततया विषय चैतन्य सत्ता एव घटादि सत्ता. घटादि they are अध्यस्त in swa avachinna chaitanya, and therefore vishaya chaitanya satta itself is the satta of ghata. Ghata is not existing independent of that chaitanya. अधिष्ठान सत्ता अतिरिक्ताया आरोपित सत्तायाः अनंगीकारात्. आरोपित सत्ता cannot be different from adhisthana satta. So adhisthana satta atirikta aropita satta na angi क्रियते अस्माभिः. Up to this is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Further, विषय चैतन्यंच पूर्वोक्त प्रकारेण प्रमात्र चैतन्यम एव इति प्रमात्र चैतन्यस्यैव घटादि अधिष्ठानतया प्रमात्र सत्तैव घटादि सत्ता नान्या इति सिद्धम घटादेः अपरोक्षत्वम्. विषय चैतन्यम च पूर्वोक्त प्रकारेण प्रमात्र चैतन्यम एव इति. विषय चैतन्यम and pramata chaitanya, they are one. Purvokta prakarena, because pramata avachinna chaitanya, when it goes through pramana avachinna chaitanya, becomes one with prameya avachinna chaitanya. So in this way, that is purvokta prakarena. Second number tippani says, यथा तडागोदकम कुल्यात्मना इति अत्र उक्तेन इत्यर्थः. The tadag udakam, the water in the tadaga becomes one with the plant wherever it is kept through a small canal. So it goes through that. So tadagudakam kulyatmana. In this way, pramatra chaitanya and prameya chaitanya, they become one. And third number tippani, iti shabdo hetvartha. Iti shabda is there. प्रमात्र चैतन्यम एव इति. So विषय चैतन्यंच प्रमात्र चैतन्यत्वात्, and therefore प्रमात्र चैतन्यस्यैव घटादि अधिष्ठानतया प्रमाता चैतन्य is the अधिष्ठानम of घटादि. प्रमात्र सत्ता एव घटादि सत्ता, न अन्य. प्रमाता सत्ता is the same as घटादि सत्ता, न अन्य इति सिद्धम. In टीका, अतः प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ता शून्यत्वम घटादेः अपरोक्षत्वम सिद्धम इत्यर्थः. प्रमात्र सत्ता means pramata doesn't have a separate satta. That chaitanya in which pramata is adhyasta, that satta, atirikta satta, pramata doesn't have. And same thing is true for ghatadi. That ghatadi also are adhyasta in the same chaitanya. And that avachinna chaitanya, when they become one, then there is aparokshatvam. Now you see one number tippani. So this lakshana is going on for pratyaksha or aparoksha jnanam. Somebody says this lakshana will have ativyapti in anumanam also. Vanniman parvata ityatra वन्य अवच्छिन्नस्य देवदत्तीय अंतःकरणावच्छिन्नस्य च चैतन्यस्य वस्तुतः एकत्वात् अतिव्याप्ति ही स्यात्. अतः चैतन्य पदम विहाय प्रमात्र पद उपादानम कृतम. वन्यमान पर्वतः, पर्वतो वन्यमान. In this अनुमिति वन्य अवच्छिन्नस्य चैतन्यस्य and Devadattya Antakarana Avacchinnasya cha Chaitanyasya. These two Chaitanya. Vanni Avachinna Chaitanya, Devadatta Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya. Of these two, Vastutaha Ekatvat, if they are one, then Ativyapti hi syat. Where will be Ativyapti?
In Pratyaksha.
Anuman.
In Anumana. Pratyaksha discussion is going on. In Anumanam, there will be Ativyapti. If this is Pratyaksha Parichheda. Pratyaksha Parichheda means this is topic of Pratyaksha Pramana only. So if the Lakshana is of Pratyaksha, Purvapakshi says, Pramata Avachinna Chaitanya and Ghata Avachinna Chaitanya, you are saying it is one. Vanni Avachinna Chaitanya is also same. That Vanni is also Adhyasta in the same Chaitanya. So this Lakshana has Ativyapti in Anumanam. Vanniman Parvata ityatra Vanni Avacchinnasya Devadattya iya. What is the pratyaya?
Yes, soon pratyaya.
Cha pratyaya. Cha pratyaya will make it iya. What is the sutra?
Ay, ni, yah, ha, cha, kham, pratyadinam.
Correct. Ayaneyi niya, niyaha, patagachagam pratyadinam. Devadatti antakarnavacchinnasya chaitanyasya cha vastutah ekatvat. That Devadatta Antakarnavachinna Chaitanya and Vanni Avachinna Chaitanya are also one. So Ativyapti will happen in Anumana of that Vanni, which is somewhere else. Ataha, therefore, Chaitanya Padam Vihaya Pramatra Pada Upadanam Kritam. Therefore, in this Moolam, it is not said Pramatra Avachinna Chaitanya Abheda with Prameya Avachinna Chaitanya. Instead of using the word Chaitanya, only Pramatra Pada is taken. That's what he says. Pramatra Pada Upadanam Kritam. This is explained on the next page now. Tacha Mule Anum Ityadi Sthale Tu Ityadina Spashtikriyate. So on the next page, that is being explained. 4 number tippani on this page. Tadavacchinnasya ityasya ghatavacchinnasya antakarnavacchinnasya va artha. Ghatavachinna Chaitanya, antakarnavachinna Chaitanya, that we already saw. Okay. Further now, next page. Tika. Anumeya Vanyadesh Chaitanya Satta Atirikta Satta Shunyatve Api. Anumeya Vanni. That Vanni also has same Satta which is borrowed from Chaitanya. So Vanyadehe Chaitanya Satta Atirikta Satta Shunyatve. It doesn't have any Atirikta Satta. Shunyatve api tasya pramatra anatmakataya. But it has not become one with Pramata. What has not become one with Pramata?
Vahni Avachinna Chaitanya.
Because Chaitanya is one, but Vanni Avachinna Chaitanya and Pramata, that contact has not happened. Contact has happened with Gada. Therefore, tasya pramatra anatmakataya na ativyaptihi iti Chaitanya padam vihaya pramatra pada upadanam iti ashayana aha. And therefore, even if you don't give Chaitanya Pada, just Pramatra Pada is also enough. See in Moolam now. Anumityadi sthale tu अंतःकरणस्य वन्यादि देश निर्गमन अभावे वन्य अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य प्रमातृ चैतन्य अनात्मकतया वन्यादि सत्ता प्रमातृ सत्ता तो भिन्ना इति न अतिव्याप्तिः. In the Anumiti sthala, अंतःकरणस्य वन्यादि देश निर्गमन अभावे. Antakarana has not gone in Vanni Desha, Vanyadi Desha Nirgamana Abhave. Vanni Avachinna Chaitanyasya Pramatra Chaitanya Anatmakataya. Vanni Avachinna Chaitanya is not one with Pramatra Chaitanya. Pramatra Chaitanya Anatmakataya. Vanyadi Satta Pramatra Sattataha Bhinna. Means their oneness has not happened. Even though Satta is one. But Vanni and Pramata, their Avachinna Chaitanya has not become one. So Vanni Satta and Pramata Satta are different. Therefore, na Ativyaptihi. Therefore, there is no Ativyapti. Tika. 1 number टिप्पणी. एवं अपि प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त इत्यादि लक्षणस्य अनुमेय वन्यादावतिव्याप्ति अभावे अपि प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त, this is the lakshana, अतिरिक्त सत्ता is not there. So anumeya vanyadau ativyapti abhava, there ativyapti is not there. Why? Tatra antakarana gamana abhavat. Antakarana has not gone there. In Vanni Desha, antakarana avachinna chaitanya through Praman avachinna chaitanya did not go. Then where is antakarana avachinna chaitanya? Means Pramata avachinna chaitanya and the Praman avachinna chaitanya. If Praman avachinna chaitanya did not go to Prameya avachinna chaitanya, then where is Praman avachinna chaitanya? Are you able to hear what I am saying?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the question? Question is, if Ghata is in Bahirdesha, then Pramata avachinna chaitanya will go through Praman avachinna chaitanya in Bahirdesha. If that Prameya is not in Bahirdesha, Vanni, which is in Bahirdesha, but Pramana avachinna chaitanya does not go there, then where does it go? It doesn't go anywhere. It stays in the Hridaya Desha only. It remains in the same Desha where Pramata avachinna chaitanya is. So there is no going. This we saw earlier. Further, nanu evam api ativyaptihi asti iti shankate. Purva Paksha says still there is ativyapti possible. Nanu evam api धर्माधर्मादि गोचर अनुमित्यादि स्थले धर्माधर्मयोः प्रत्यक्षत्व आपत्तिः. Even then, dharma-dharmadi gochara anumityadi sthale, where dharma-dharma they are there also anumanam will happen. It is also paroksha vastu. Anumityadi sthale dharma-dharmayoho pratyakshatva apattihi. Why? Because Pramata avachinna chaitanya is in Hridaya Desha. Dharma, dharma, where are they? They are not like in Parvata. They are also in Hridaya Desha. That's what he says. Dharmadi avachinna chaitanyasya pramatra chaitanya abhinnataya. Dharmadi avachinna chaitanya and pramatra avachinna chaitanya, they are abhinna. So dharmadi sattayaha pramatra satta anatirekat. Dharmadi satta and pramata satta becomes one, and therefore you are trying to get ghata jnanam, you will get dharma jnanam also. See in Tika. What is the answer?
Ayogyata.
Dharma, dharma are not yogya for pratyaksha. So it can be anywhere. If some devata is standing next to me, but if he is not pratyaksha yogya, I may look here and I will not see anyone because he is not pratyaksha yogya. So in the same way, dharma can be there in the same antakarana, you will not know. As pratyaksha. Pratyaksha yogyatvasya api vishaya visheshanattvena. You have to give one visheshana to that vishaya. What? It should be pratyaksha yogya also. Pratyaksha yogyatvasya api vishaya visheshanattvena yogya vishayasya pramatra bhinnatva rupa lakshanasya dharmada avabhavat. In dharmadi, yogyatva, pratyaksha yogyatva is not there. So pramatra bhinnatva means pramatra abhinnatva rupa lakshana is not there in dharmadi. Dharmadau abhavat na ativyaptihi ityaha. Therefore there is no ativyapti. Siddhanti says na in Moolam. Yogyatvasyapi vishaya visheshanatvat. You should give another visheshana. Yogyatva. Yogyatvasyapi vishaya visheshanatvat. When we ask a question, answer will be there in the next sentence. So if you read something before class, then you will know. Or you should have a memory to remember. This was already discussed earlier. Dharma, dharmadi, there should have been yogya. Tika. Nanu ghatagata rupa pratyaksha dashayam tadgata parimanada. So anumanam drishtanta is given. Shabda praman also you should understand. When they say in anumanam pratyaksha lakshana will not go, means in shabda praman also pratyaksha lakshana will not go. All these things we should understand. Okay. Further in Tika, nanu ghatagata rupa pratyaksha dashayam tadgata parimanadavati vyaptihi. Now another question. When you see ghata, when you see ghata rupa, the ghata parimana is also seen, right? When rupa jnanam is taking place, parimana jnanam, how big the pot is, tall, fat, this is all a parimana, the size. So that also comes to knowledge. So nanu ghatagata rupa pratyaksha dashayam tadgata parimanadavati vyaptihi. Tadgata parimana, in that there is ati vyaptihi. रूपावच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य एव परिमाणादि अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य रूपतया तस्य तद अभिन्न प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभावात् इति शंकते। सो रूप अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य एव परिमाणादि अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य रूपतया, रूप अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य is one with parimana avachinna chaitanya. So when you try to get rupa jnanam, you will get parimana jnanam also. रूपादि अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य सेव परिमाणादि अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य रूपतया तस्य तद अभिन्न प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभावात्, तस्य तद अभिन्न प्रमात्र सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व। सो तस्य तद सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी, तस्य परिमाणादेः तद अभिन्न, तद अभिन्न, तद अभिन्ना परिमाण अभिन्ना या प्रमात्र सत्ता। सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी ऑन 38। सो परिमाणस तद अभिन्ना या प्रमात्र सत्ता, वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट रूप ज्ञानम। परिमाण सत्ता एंड प्रमात्र सत्ता दे आर अभिन्न, या प्रमात्र सत्ता तद अतिरिक्त सत्ताकत्व अभावात्। परिमाण सत्ता does not have different satta from pramata. Therefore परिमाणादीना कल्पितत्वेन स्व अधिष्ठान भूत चैतन्य सत्ताकत्वात् तस्य च प्रमात्र अभिन्नत्वात् इति भावः। घट is अध्यस्त in chaitanya. Ghata रूpa is also अध्यस्त, घट परिमाण is also अध्यस्त। परिमाणादीनां कल्पितत्वेन they are also kalpita स्व अधिष्ठान भूत chaitanya sattakatva, they have the same satta, tasya cha pramatra abhinnatva, it is pramatra abhinna, means they have same satta, abhinnatva iti bhava. So in tika tasya tadabhinna pramatra satta atirikta sattakatva abhavat, because tasya tat everything is given, so tippanikar made it very clear that parimanadi, their satta is not different from pramatra satta, so their pratyaksha also will happen. You are trying to get ghata rupa pratyaksha iti shankate. In Moolam, on previous page. Nanu evamapi रूपी घट इति प्रत्यक्ष स्थले घटगत परिमाणादेः प्रत्यक्षत्व आपत्ति ही, when you get रूपी घट means रूपवान घटः in this kind of प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम, घटगत परिमाणादेः प्रत्यक्षत्व आपत्ति ही, परिमाण etc also will become pratyaksha. Why? So first we will see in Moolam this portion. रूपावच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य परिमाणादि अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य च एकतया Rupavachina Chaitanya and Parimanadi Avachina Chaitanya, they are one. Chaitanya is one. Ekataya. Rupavachina Chaitanyasya Pramatra Chaitanya Abhede. Parimanadi Avachina Chaitanyasyapi Pramatra Bhinnataya. Parimanadi Sattayaha Pramatra Satta Atiriktatva Abhavat iti chet. Rupavachina Chaitanyasya and Parimanadi Avachina Chaitanyasya cha Pramatra Chaitanya Abhede, when they are not different from Pramatra Chaitanya. Parimanadi Avachina Chaitanyasyapi Pramatra Abhinnataya. Parimana Avachina Chaitanya is also not different from Pramatra Avachina Chaitanya. Therefore, Parimanadi Sattayaha Pramatra Satta Atiriktatva Abhavat. When Parimana Satta is not different from Pramata Satta, then you will get the knowledge of Parimana also. Iti chet. Siddhanti says, na. Tattad akara vritti upahitatvasyapi pramatra visheshanatvat. Tattad akara vritti upahitatvasyapi. Tattad akara. So if Rupa, Ghata, Rupa, Akara Vritti is there, then Tad Upahita Chaitanya. And if it is Parimana, then Parimana Akara Vritti Upahita Chaitanya. So these two, it is not only Ghata Avachinna or Ghata Upahita Chaitanya. Ghata Rupakara Vritti Upahita Chaitanya. And the other one will be Ghata Parimana Akara Vritti Upahita Chaitanya. So, which one is becoming one with Pramata? So, here Siddhanti is saying only Rupakar Vritti is happening. If for Parimana, you will have to have the Vritti which is Ghata Parimana Akara. Even though when you see Ghata, we feel that Ghata Jnanam is taking place, means Ghata Rupa, Ghata Parimana, everything we are knowing together. And let's say if Ghata is filled with something, you see it, you will see everything together. But in that vritti, what is Visheshana? Only at one moment that one jnanam is taking place. So you can either focus on one thing at a time, or you say it is Samuha Alambanam Jnanam, which has everything as its Vishaya. Or it takes one thing at a time and it appears so fast that you think all knowledge is taking place together. तत्तद आकार वृत्ति उपहितत्वस्यापि प्रमातृ अविशेषणात् प्रमातृ विशेषणत्वात्. That also will become pramata's visheshanam. So रूपाकार वृत्ति दशायाम परिमाणादि आकार वृत्ति अभावेन. परिमाणादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित प्रमातृ चैतन्य अभिन्न सत्ताकत्व अभावेन न अतिव्याप्ति अथवा अतिव्याप्ति अभावात्. When Rupakar Vritti is taking place, Rupakar Vritti Dashayam, Parimanadi Akar Vritti Abhava is there. Parimanakar Vritti has not taken place. Therefore, Parimanadi Akar Vritti Upahita Pramatra Chaitanya Abhinna Sattakatva is not there right now. What has become one is Rupa Di Avachinna Chaitanya or Rupakar Vritti Upahita Pramatra Avachinna Chaitanya. They have become one. And therefore they have one satta, not Parimanadi Akar Vritti Upahita Pramatra Chaitanya Abhinna Sattakatva is not there. Abhavena Ativyapti Abhavat. Therefore there is no Ativyapti in parimana. It is only rupa. So this is on Tika on this page. परिमाणादेहे प्रमातृ सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ता शून्यत्वे अपि परिमाणादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित प्रमातृ चैतन्य सत्ता शून्यत्व अभावात् न अव्याप्ति न अतिव्याप्ति not अव्याप्ति अतिव्याप्ति. What is given in the Kailash book?
अतिव्याप्ति स्वामीजी.
Nativyapti. Na vyapti is given. Just add T. परिमाणादेहे प्रमातृ सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ता शून्यत्वे अपि परिमाणादि do not have सत्ता different from pramata. परिमाणादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित प्रमातृ चैतन्य सत्ता शून्यत्व अभावात् परिमाणादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित प्रमातृ चैतन्य सत्ता शून्यत्व is not there, and therefore there is no ativyapti. Means parimana is not there in that vritti. What has happened is रूपाकार वृत्ति उपहित प्रमातृ चैतन्य सत्ता, they have become one. So therefore there is no ativyapti. Iti samadhatte siddhanti na iti. Now before we proceed, this 1 number tippani here, which is on, oh, this we have not come yet. Okay. That is the next part. So go on next page now on Tika 39. 39, how many times 39 we have did? Yeah, 39. Nanu परिमाणादा अवति व्याप्ति वारणाय तत्तदाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्वस्य अपि प्रमातृ विशेषणत्वे वृत्तौ अव्याप्तिः इति शंकते. परिमाणादा अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय, टू एलिमिनेट अतिव्याप्ति इन परिमाण, तत्तदाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्वस्यापि प्रमातृत्व विशेषणत्वेन. यू विल गिव वन विशेषण तत्तदाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्वम पर प्रमाता, वृत्तौ अतिव्याप्ति. There will be अतिव्याप्ति in वृत्ति इति शंकते. Sorry, अव्याप्ति in वृत्ति. वृत्तौ अव्याप्ति इति शंकते. This shanka we will see in the next session. Nanu evam vruttau avyaptihi. From there we will see in the next one. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
हरिओम स्वामी जी।